Howdy y'all. Alright, we finally gonna start the project I've been telling y'all about. We got the 1322 here. Been saying I'm gonna do this project and just been so busy, and I didn't want to start on it until I got other things taken care of. So now, let's get started on this. So, what we're gonna do is brand spanking new 1322. We're gonna first take it out of the box, show you what's in the box, all that. There's not a lot in here, I'm sure. Do a chronograph check on it. Hopefully we sight it in close enough we can see some kind of a group. We got a target at 25 yards. You know, that's going to be our baseline start, and then we're going to see what we can do to modify this thing and make it into a backpack gun. Or should hit the fan gun type thing. So anything I want to try to modify this thing with, I want to try to make sure I modify it with stuff that's, if the thing ever broke, it's real easy to find a part to repair it, I guess you could say. I don't know how these are. It's been a long time since I had one of these apart, and I know for a fact that they've changed a lot of stuff on these things. But like if it's got some goofy seal on it, I'm gonna use O-ring seals on it and try to anyway. We'll get all that figured out. But let's bring you in here closer up and open it up. All right. There it is. Set of instructions is it. I didn't think there was much in here. Not much to them. See if we can see a little bit here. Blah blah blah. All this adding normal stuff. Sight adjustments. Performance. Manufacturer's effective velocity. Blah blah blah. Let's see if this shows any here. Just a bunch of warranty stuff. Really don't see anything. Wait a minute, over here. Never pump your air pistol more than 10 times. That's what I was looking for. So 10's going to be our max. Alright, so all this is plastic nowadays. I was thinking that this trigger guard here might be plastic, but it's still metal. That's good. I like that. That's still metal. Your front end up here, this piece that goes into the tip here, that's plastic. We'll be replacing that for sure. Talked about it before in other videos. We're going to replace the barrel, and we got a steel breech for it. Other than that, ain't much there to say. So let's get it set up and shoot it. All right, we got target at 25 yards. I figured that's probably about max, or so that this gun will be used at, or for what purposes it's being set up for. We're going to be shooting Crosman Premier hollow points. They're cheap, they're good pellets. You can stockpile a lot of these. There's a 510. You get 10 pellets at $6-7 a pop. For less than $1,000, you get 5,000 pellets. Wait a minute. Oh geez, I can't say it. Can't believe I said $1,000. $100. $100 for 5,000 of these. Jeez, what a dummy. Okay, back to the film. That's a lot of pellets. So we're not even going to clean the barrel. I'm not really worried about it. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we're not going to shoot this, but I got 5 pellets laid out here. It's probably going to be loud. Alright, it's got a cross bolt safety. Well, that wasn't too loud. That's not as loud as I thought it'd be. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Boy, if I was in survival mode right now, I'd be real happy, because I got about 4 squirrels running around back there. It starts getting tough at 10 pumps. It's being pretty consistent though on it, on the velocity.
468.
All right, so 470, about an average. That ain't not too bad. Let me go get the target and we'll take a look at what I did. All right, well, that wasn't too bad of a group actually. Got one there and you got 4 right there. That's minute a squirrel. Yeah, that ain't bad. All right, the 1322. So we're gonna highly modify this thing. Trigger pretty heavy on it and stuff like that. We'll see what we can do on the trigger. I don't want to modify it too much, but say we're gonna do some stuff to it, change the barrel, the breech, I want to make a removable buttstock. I have a folding buttstock that I could put on it now, but I want to put a removable buttstock on it. Even though it flips over and compacts it, I'd like for it to be able to just pop on and off too. So we're going to do that. We'll replace this front section up here, make that metal so that won't break on us. Place the barrel, put a steel breech on it. I haven't decided on the probe bolt yet. If I want to go to a longer probe, I might do that. Going to go in and put a flat top piston in it and probably modify the valve a little bit. Get some better sights to go on here. And do all those kind of things to it as we progress along. If there's anything else I want to do, I might do that. So, what do I want to do next? The next video we'll disassemble this thing and then see all the parts that we're gonna modify and discuss those things and try to say why we're doing those kind of things. So that's going to be it for this video, but this is just the intro to it, so stay tuned for the rest of it. I'll try to put in some of the machining parts of our videos of the parts if I can able to do that, and things like that. One other note I want to say here is that's a brand new camera for me. New phone, new camera. I've recorded so many videos on my other one, plugging the plug-in in and out to transfer the files over to the computer to do my editing. I wore it out. I couldn't get it to, it would charge, but I couldn't get it to where it would transfer files anymore. I was having a hard time with them anyway. But we got us a new phone and it's capable of 8K. So this one's being recorded in 8K. I already know that I can upload straight from the phone to YouTube and it'll process it in 8K. I don't know if my software that I have will do 8K, so we're gonna have to check into that, and hopefully this thing will be in 8K. I know not everybody's can receive it in 8K, but those that can, let me know if it looks any better than standard 1080p. So, all right, 1322 project, we're underway. Thanks for watching.